Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by Uzafira Nopepu.
Wow, Sibo! Abulatsila. Oh, singena kanje ku final. Singena ngevosho. Singena ngevosho. Singena ngevosho. Basibukele, basibukele, basibukele. No, okay, but Sibo le star list. Sirusile ka. Ngizola di star esisha.
This season.
Akekho nemakha la ngibhale ses2. Akekho nemakha ngibhale ses2. Cameraman, imakha. Silvester ses2. Sashota. Faku squad la. Faku squad. Squad. No, Sibo, asibonga. Azeke azazi njani.
Imake ngimphendule. Uyabona umuntu ongajwayele ngestar uzosho kanje ukuthi khona istar isirusayo. Asikho istar isirusayo. iBrazil ineta ezingaki?
Ezirusile.
Yasithatha nini? iBrazil is still the only team eneta ezilini. Asikho istar isirusayo. Asikho. Lento lena ayifani nale eyeChiefs ukuthi namakhapha amaningi into ongeke uyibone ukuthi kuphi. Ihlala la lento le.
Rusile.
Badlala bathi nabo masibadlala bathi game yona abayibonanga le star.
Ibaphi? Abayibonanga. Ukuthi ingane yiko ingane. Mina mengina 10 years lesikhathi uJerry Sportsana. Uyabona ingane lesi azazi mele sibuye zize la sibafundise ngebhola. Asikho istar esirusayo. Buyele
Sibo yazi ngibone mfethu. Lamawusi lawa ne singitshele Sibo. Lamawusi lawa awinile mara amuncu mfethu. Angazi ukuthi lo muthi lo ola abantu abatheshisa umuthi nje bamunye abajabula pepe ubani ojabulile. Mara bawinile. Ngicela angazi kambani bafethu. Bathi
Nambo. Okay, grand.
Bawinile mara lokho grand angazi kambani. Mina ngiyabuya next week ngishaya ama game in hand, ngithatha iligi, ngithatha istar sesibili esingarusanga.
Awukhulume bhuto. Ngicela wena, ngicela mic ya.
No khuluma mina into ngizoyisho ne iconic mfana. Steve Prime. Into ngifuna ukuyisho ne is simple.
Yes.
Very simple. Very simple.
Yes. Very simple.
Yes. So khuluma into ngifuna ukuyisho ne nice game. We came Mbonile. It was a very good quality. Quality. Amachita from Pirates to Amazulu. Quality football. I'm happy with what I saw. I'm feeling what increment wrong. So in terms of issue, it's simple. I'm talking about Amazulu. We're playing against all odds. Must against all odds. I'm talking. Historical probability. Yes. There was no way Amazulu go to beat Pirates. On paper. There was no way Amazulu go to pick all of the Pirates. And then secondly, China is chasing. China is chasing Golden Club. So there's something is chasing. Orlando Pirates is chasing their normal position.
They are chasing number 2. They are chasing. The Chiefs are chasing. They are chasing. Their second position.
So before khuluma bafo
ngicela ukubuza one thing nje before
before khuluma bafo yeah so mfethu ngifuna ukuthi China had something to play for. He played very well. Orlando Pirates had something to play for. They played really well. They're chasing a league. And thirdly, mfethu mina ngithi kini nihlela Usuthu.
Ozake ngokubuza bhuti ufavor
Mina
usupportani
mina ngisupporta ibhola bhuti.
usupport ibhola uyazi wangimbuza ukuthi usupportani mesenaye FNB ubegqoke into ze-Pirates ima ngikhulume ngiqede makaqeda mekalwa lapha estate awakhuzwa yimi alusa abantu abe-Chiefs bashaya isiguli lalela bhuti lalela khuzeka ungagqoki impahla ye-Pirates uhambe wenza amahlaza khuzeka bhuti makatata ngefuna megafuna imata Estivo megafuna imata yokufaka isitista iparete
Swagana.